At Giftpack, we are dedicated to ensuring that your corporate gifting experience is both seamless and hassle-free. To achieve this, we offer integration services for over 5,000 apps and platforms. To browse our selection of integrations, head over to the integration page and select the platform you wish to integrate with. Here, you can delve into the specifics, like what you can expect from the integration and what permissions and steps will be needed to complete the integration process. Click the Integrate button once you're ready and follow the steps provided. In case you can't find the integration you are looking for, please click the Suggest an Integration button and fill out our short survey. Once you've submitted the application form, we'll promptly get in touch with you to discuss further details on making your desired integration a reality. To learn more about how integrations can help streamline your business, please visit the Integrations information page on giftpack.ai. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to a more integrated and efficient future for your business. For more informative videos, please check out our content below. See you next time.